Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ria and in this video we are gonna go through my hair color transformation, guys. So I am here at the Hair Masters and this is how my hair looks right now. So I have opted for balayage hair color. I showed these references to my hairstylist and this is the first time that I'm gonna do something with my hair. I've never even gotten a haircut like for the past 2 years. I haven't even gotten a haircut, so this is how my hair looks. They look sort of dry and damaged, but it is how it is. So the hairstylist gave me a good hair cut first, like just the length. He chopped off all the dead ends and damaged part from my hair, and I actually wanted to go really short, but then everybody said, "Don't, we love your, long hair and don't really go short." So I opted for a little chop. That's it, and goodbye hair. So I opted for balayage plus global hair color. What they are doing right now is they are straightening my hair because I have curly hair, and color करवाते हुए they prefer to have straight hair so that the color gets distributed evenly into my hair. So here they are, like I haven't even straightened my hair ever in my life, and this is the first time that I'm looking at myself with straight hair, so that was kind of strange. So here it is. Like I opted for a brownish global and then lighter brown balayage. So balayage is basically a technique where the whole hair is colored, but the transition is very very smooth. As you can see, this is a technique called weaving, and it is sort of like highlight, but highlights are in your face sort of a thing. But in balayage your whole hair would be colored in such a way that it'll be really smooth and flowing with each other. You won't get like any striking colors in between. So here they are bleaching my hair, and this process is not really good for any hair. This damages your hair, and it's a lot of damage. And that day my hair took so much damage. I mean, I can't even tell you. I spent more than 8 hours at this salon, and it was such a painful procedure, guys. So make sure you have time with yourself whenever you have decided to go for a hair color. Make sure you have ample amount of time in your hands. And this is how they are pre-lightening my hair or bleaching my hair, so that the color gets deposited evenly on my hair, because I have like jet black hair, and if you put color on it, it won't show up. So you have to pre-lighten it. And this is the final look of my hair being pre-lightened, and it was my first time and I was sort of nervous, to be honest. And after pre-lightening they are applying the global color on my hair, because I had a little bit of grays, so they suggested I should go for global hair color as well. And they have this whole book where you can choose, just feel and look at all the colors that you like and choose whatever you feel fit. So I went for number 13 from the L'Oreal range for my balayage part, and for global I went for a dark brownish shade. I don't remember the number, but I'll write in the comments below. So here we are washing the hair length, and I can't remember how many times they've washed it and dried it and washed it and dried it, but it was a very soothing experience. As you can see, I'm enjoying myself. So they are washing away all the product that is deposited on my hair, and basically getting all that bleach and global hair color out of my hair. and as you can see, my hair has pre-lightened and it looks something like that. It is, it looks dangerous. To be honest, I was like so scared after looking at my hair. I had never uh, bleached my hair, so that was a first, and here they are. Now what they're doing is they are depositing the balayage color that I had selected, the number 13, and they're combing through my hair so that it gets evenly distributed all through my hair. And as you can see, there were like 3 people with my hair because I have sort of like heavy hair and there are a lot of hair. So here we go, and they kept it for like 15-20 minutes and they washed it off. And this was the look, but I did not really like it. I felt it was very light for my skin tone, and I asked them to do it with a darker shade, a little bit of a darker shade, and they did it, and that makes me really happy because there's a lot of product and everything that is used in the process. Then we are doing the keratin treatment because my hair is rough and frizzy, and after coloring they became like really rough. So these guys suggested that I should go for keratin, and as naive as I was, I went for keratin treatment, and that's another story. So I'll keep another video on my keratin hair experience. But keratin is a long process. They deposit protein in your hair, then they dry it and flat iron it, and so that you have a good layer of protein in your hair. And you have to keep the protein for 1 or 2 days, so that the frizz is not there and your hair is healthier and it looks healthier. And you if you have curly hair, you will end up with sort of a wavy hair. If you have wavy hair, you will end up with sort of straight hair. This I did not know. And this is how my keratin treated hair looks like. This is not the final look, but this is how the keratin is still there. So I had to go another day to wash that keratin off my hair, and as you can see, I was completely shocked. Like, I had never seen myself like this because I've always had curly hair like which are really huge, and this is the first time. And I actually I don't know, I had mixed feelings about it, but eventually I ended up liking it because it was so manageable and it looked different, good but different. So here it is, the final sort of a keratin look. And I actually went for a keratin hair wash the other day. This is day 2 where they are again flat ironing my hair, applying a lot of heat. I don't know, I feel so sorry about my hair that it had to go through this much of heat and chemical treatment, but you got to do what you got to do, right? So this is day 2 and they are gonna wash off the keratin now. Then they will be drying it off again, blow drying it again, styling it again, and there's a whole process that is set. And if you want to know about my keratin experience, do subscribe to this channel, because the next video is gonna be about my keratin experience. So it has been almost 50 days since I've gotten this hair color transformation done, and I am speaking from thorough experience and nothing else. And here is my final hair look, like from jet black hair to sort of walnut brownish hair. And I don't say that I liked it initially, but now I am actually really loving my hair color and how it has turned out. Initially I was a bit skeptical, but then I am loving it. What do you think? Comment down below. I would love to hear your experiences, and I would love to get to know you guys, because we are family. And here is some crazy reels that I created. I am super active on Instagram. Do follow me there. And if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment, bell button, the usual drill. And I will see you next time. Bye.